Let's talk about wheels. There are a few numbers you need to know when buying wheels for your car. I'm going to visit the website wheelsize.com. Here you can enter your vehicle information and it will tell you the stock wheel size for your car. The 1997 RAV4 came with P215 70R16 tires and 16 by 6.5 inch wheels. The offset for the stock wheels is 45 millimeters. The center bore diameter is 60.1 millimeters. The bolt circle diameter is 5 by 114.3 millimeters or 5 by 4.5 inches. The lug nut thread size is 12 millimeters by 1.5. This website also has a rim and tire size calculator. The diameter of the rim where the tire mounts is 16 inches and the width of the stock rim is 6.5 inches. You can measure the diameter of the wheel with a ruler, but it's not the outside edge of the rim. It's the diameter where the tire mounts. The hole in the middle of the tire is exactly 16 inches. The width of the wheel is also measured where the tire mounts. My wheels are wider than stock at 7 inches. Some of the measurements are cast into the wheel. Here you can see 16 by 7, and here it says the offset is 35 millimeters. This calculator lets you compare wheel and tire sizes and can help you with fender clearance too. Offset is the distance between the center of the rim and the mounting point. A positive offset means the wheel bolts on closer to the outside and the tire is closer to the middle of the car. A negative offset makes the wheels stick out. Most cars have a positive offset between 35 and 45 millimeters. This places the tire directly over the wheel bearings. Backspacing is a different way to measure the same thing. Instead of finding the distance from the center of the rim, you measure spacing from the back of the wheel. Here you can see the backspacing of my wheel is about 5.5 inches. Toyota uses a 5-bolt pattern for most of their cars with a bolt circle diameter of 114.3 millimeters or 4.5 inches. It's the diameter of a circle going through the center of the lug nuts. It's easy to measure the bolt pattern when you have an even number of lug nuts. Just find 2 lug nuts across from each other and measure center to center. With 5 lug nuts, you can measure from the center of one lug nut to the outside edge of the farthest lug nut and it will be close. Using that technique, you can see the bolt circle diameter is 114.3 millimeters. If you're American, it's 4.5 inches. The center bore diameter of the wheel is the size of the hole in the middle, measured from the back of the wheel. It's 60.1 millimeters because it needs to be slightly bigger than the 60 millimeter hub. The wheel gets centered on the hub. This is called hub-centric. Most Toyota cars use a center bore diameter of 60.1 millimeters. If you get wheels with a bigger center bore, you can use an adapter to get it down to 60.1.